Hello everyone. After the Apple M1 series, when I am trying to use TensorFlow in Python program and run it, it shows this error. It says sh illegal hardware instruction and then Python command python file name.py. That means it is not allowing us to use the TensorFlow. So what we can do? You will find some Word document in the video description. Download that. In the Word document, firstly you will see there is a URL that allowing us to download the Minifog for the Mac OS. So use that URL, open that with the browser. It will download some file like this. Okay, the file has been downloaded. The next one will be we have to use this command in the terminal. Okay, so I can copy this, and remember you have to let me remove that for you. sh, that will be this command. You have to paste that here in the terminal, then press enter, but make sure this file name is equals to the file name that you downloaded. For example, here let me check that. In the download folder I have minifog3 -macOSX -arm64.sh. that is correct, so I can press enter now. The next step will be, as Word document indicate, we have to copy this command and paste that here in the terminal. sh and then this symbol /downloads. Make sure where is your file is. I have that is in the download folder, that why I have this path, and then the file name minifog3 -macOSX -arm64.sh. Press enter. Now here we have to review the license agreement. For that we can press and hold the enter button until it completed to scroll. Okay, now we can type yes here. So currently I have installed the minifog3. You don't have to follow this step, but I will do just remove the correct one to show you from scratch. Okay, the next one will be I have to press enter here in the terminal. I have to type yes here. Okay, it is being installed to my home. Let me check what I can do. Now I have to copy this command source, this symbol minifog3 /bin /activate. I will copy that and paste that here. Okay, so the next step is it asking us to install the TensorFlow -deps package using the conda. If you don't have installed that, you have to install conda first. Press enter here. If you don't know how to install the conda, I have a video in my channel. I will include that video in the video description also. You can refer that. Okay, so in the PyCharm I have to type y here to continue. It will start to download some libraries. Okay, now the next step is use this command python -m pip uninstall TensorFlow macOS, but I don't have installed that currently in my computer, but you have to enter that if you install that. Yeah, it shows me it is not installed. So here we are going to reinstall the TensorFlow -deps from Apple. Copy that command and paste that here in the terminal. Okay, now I have to type y here. Alright, the next step is create a virtual environment. I can use conda create -- name and the virtual environment name. Here in this case I'm using conda space create -- name coffee program as my virtual environment name. It will be coffee program. Now I will press y here, but here environment location is root folder username. Inside that mini tree, let me show you. I have this mini tree. Inside that we have envs folder. Inside that this coffee programmer environment will be created. I will press y here. Okay, now the next step is to activate the virtual environment. To activate that we have to use conda activate virtual environment name. If you don't know your virtual environment name, you can go to home here and then you will see this mini tree folder. Inside that you have envs folder. Here this is the virtual environment. I will press enter now. Okay, so it is been activated. The next one we have to copy this conda install TensorFlow -metal command, paste that here. Okay, now we are going to copy the next command, conda install TensorFlow -macOS. Now I am going to copy the next command, which is conda install -c Apple TensorFlow -deps. Paste that here in the terminal. Press y here and enter. Okay guys, so the next command will be, we don't have to use this one. I'm going to remove that. TensorFlow macOS, it is being installed. Everything is ready. So here in the PyCharm you are going to activate your virtual environment. How we can activate that? Click this PyCharm, click this settings. Now you will see this Python interpreter option in the project. Now click add interpreter, click add local interpreter. You will see your current virtual environment here. Select the existing option and click this more button. Now in your root folder you will see this volumes folder. Inside the volumes folder you will see this Macintosh HD. Inside that you will see this users folder. Okay, inside the users folder this is the username that you will see. Okay, inside your username you will see this mini tree folder. Okay, inside that you will see the bin folder. Okay, inside the bin folder you will see a Python file like this, Python. Okay, the file name is Python. Select that, click OK, then click OK here, apply. Okay, it will take some time till your PyCharm setup with the virtual environment. And the next step will be, you can install your libraries using this PyCharm GUI. That means you can right click on some package, click show context actions, then it will show you an option to install that particular package. Like here, what I will do, right click on that, click show package context, install package and the package name. It will start to download here.